So most people, when they learn the pinwheel or the windmill or whatever you call this, just learn this version and this version. But there's this version and this version, and then there's this and this and this and this and this. So the idea of playing with different timings of moves can change everything in your repertoire dramatically. To me, this together time, but separated, and by separation I mean my center of revolution is not in the same place anymore. So my rotational center for a regular pinwheel, they basically follow each other. Now I'm doing one extension while one is short. Now I'm doing the other extension while the other one is short, and then switching between them while I'm in the same timing I was in here of together time, right? So you've taken this basic thing and this basic thing, and you've added another 4 different versions simply by changing up the timing, which can create a really interesting effect visually when you're performing, right? It's just like, you know, people think of the weave, oh yes, okay, weave is absolutely in split time, except when it's not. Right? Together time version of that, which you can use to go into your together time waist wrap if you wanted to.